How do I fix the flashing green light on my ADT doorbell camera?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to fix the flashing green light on your ADT doorbell camera. If you're experiencing this issue, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in.
Troubleshooting steps.
If you notice a flashing green light on your ADT doorbell camera, it typically indicates a problem with the device. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can follow to fix the issue. 1. Check the Wi-Fi connection. Ensure that your doorbell camera is properly connected to your Wi-Fi network. A weak or intermittent connection can cause the flashing green light. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong and stable. 2. Power cycle the doorbell camera. Sometimes, a simple power cycle can resolve minor software or hardware glitches. To do this, remove the doorbell camera from its power source for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Allow it a few moments to restart and reconnect. 3. Reset the doorbell camera. If power cycling doesn't work, you can try resetting the doorbell camera to its factory settings. Look for a small reset button on the device or consult the user manual for specific instructions on how to perform a reset. Keep in mind that resetting will erase any customized settings you had, so be prepared to reconfigure the device. 4. Verify the network settings. Double-check that the doorbell camera is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. Ensure that the network name, SSID, and password are accurate. Sometimes, an incorrect network setting can cause connectivity issues. 5. Check for firmware updates. Manufacturers often release firmware updates to improve device performance and address known issues. Visit the ADT website or contact their support to see if there are any available updates for your doorbell camera. Updating the firmware may resolve the flashing green light problem.
Contacting ADT Support.
If you have followed the troubleshooting steps and the flashing green light issue persists, it may be time to reach out to ADT's customer support. They have dedicated technicians who can provide further assistance and guidance tailored to your specific situation. You can find their contact information on the ADT website or in the documentation that came with your doorbell camera. That wraps up our video on fixing the flashing green light on your ADT doorbell camera. We hope you found this information helpful in troubleshooting the issue. Remember to check your Wi-Fi connection, power cycle the device, and consider resetting or updating the firmware if necessary. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact ADT Support for expert help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.